244 Lima Papa, Bridgeport Tower. 244 Romeo Papa. Are you northwest or north of the airport? Report 3 northwest for right traffic, runway 24. Alright, I'll keep you advised. I'm going to have a couple on the pattern for runway 24. Low on fuel. The wind's 270 at 16. Alright, I'll work in for 11. 4 Romeo Papa, do you need assistance? Any equipment standing by or anything? You're coming in broken. Did you say negative?
Yeah, right now it's 54.
7 Lima Sierra, runway 24.
Continue for runway 24 right now. 787.
So 4 Romeo Papa, you're coming in broken. You said you don't need equipment standing by. 4 Romeo Papa, you declaring Mayday? 7 Lima Sierra, give me a 360 out there, please.
787 Lima Sierra.
4 Romeo Papa, Bridgeport Tower. You're very broken. Are you declaring Mayday? Alright, are you going to be landing in the water? Okay, you're clear to land, runway of your choice. Rescue 3 ground, we need equipment standing by. 4 Romeo Papa, how you doing? Which runway are you taking? You landed where? Are you in the water? You're on the beach? And which beach is that?
Ground Rescue 1 on standby. State your emergency.
4 Romeo Papa, roger. I'll try to get somebody out there. Rescue 3, he landed on the beach, Seaside Beach.
Eastside Beach, is that the proximate across from T9?
No, he's over there west of the field on the beach, Seaside Beach, he said. Bridgeport.
Alright, copy that.
And Rescue 3, will you notify fire and rescue, or should I? 4 Romeo Papa, you still on the frequency?
Signal 29, Signal 29. There's going to be a reported aircraft incident in Charlie number 2. The following companies respond to Seaside Park, 350 Waldemere Avenue, map number 80. Battalion 1, Engine 3, Engine 7, Engine 4, Engine 1, Ladder 11, Ladder 5, Rescue 5, Safety Officer 1. This is a reported aircraft incident at Seaside Park in Charlie number 2. The following companies respond to Seaside Park, 350 Waldemere Avenue, map number 80. Battalion 1, Engine 3, Engine 7, Engine 4, Engine 1, Ladder 11, Ladder 5, Rescue 5, Safety Officer 1. Companies responding, this call came in from the traffic control out of Stratford. They lost contact with a plane and they believe it to be down on the beach at that location, Seaside Park. It's unknown exactly where. You can use Channel 2 as your fire ground. Battalion 1 to Engine 3. Respond with Fireboat 233, please. Receive. Bridgeport also received a message. Engine 3 getting grabbed with Fireboat 233. Battalion 1's out. Receive.
Ram 3, Rescue 3, I can't race him, but he's about, I'd say about 2.5 miles west of the airport on the beach. Once the airfield, Bridgeport Tower.
Once the airfield.
Yeah, did you see him? Okay.
Closer back to the field.
He was closer to the field. Yeah, we have an aircraft down around Seaside Beach over there is what he said. I'm not quite sure where that is. It's about, it's somewhere along the beach line. He said he landed on the beach. Once airfield, roger, frequency change crew. Thank you very much for your help.
Bridgeport to the companies responding to Seaside Park. We did receive a second call They had information that another party in another plane that was up in the air witnessed this aircraft go down. It's possibly in the water, unknown exactly where, Seaside Beach area. It's unknown how many souls on board.
Okay, Battalion 1 received. Notify the Coast Guard also.
Engine 6 to Battalion 1. Want to hit the Zodiac 6 in the water?
That's affirmative, Engine 6.
Bridgeport also receives.
Battalion 1 is PD responding with their boats also.
That's affirmative. We're making calls to the Marine units to respond.
Rescue to ladder 5.
Ladder 5.
We're going to try and spread out from you and cover different areas.
Alright, we're cutting a gate here at the east end of this. Bridgeport Battalion 1 has Stratford and Fairfield Fire respond with their boats also.
Message received, Battalion 1 notifying Stratford and Fairfield also respond with fireboats. Bridgeport to inbound units, Seaside Park.
Battalion 1. Go ahead, Bridgeport. Engine 4 to Battalion 1. Go ahead, Engine 4. Chief, we've covered from the Old Moore Stalls all the way to the Fairfield line with the lighthouse. Ain't that nothing? Okay, received. Battalion 1 to Bridgeport, you calling?
Affirmative. Bridgeport to Battalion 1 and units responding to Seaside Park. We have PD who spoke with a couple of citizens in the area stating that it possibly went down at the end of West Beach.
Battalion 1 received, West Beach. Engine 4 to Bridgeport. We got a plane down in the grass at the lighthouse. We'll be out investigating that command.
Message received, Engine 4. Plane down in the grass in the West Beach by the lighthouse, investigating.
Battalion 1 received Engine 4's message.
Fireboat 233 underway, Bridgeport Harbor.
Received 233 underway, Bridgeport Harbor.
Battalion 1 to 233, did you receive that last message from Engine 4? The location is the lighthouse area.
Yeah, received. Seaside Command to Bridgeport.
Go, Command, Bridgeport's on.
Alright, this time we've got one plane down the grass. It is intact on its wheels. We're making contact with the occupants now.
Received, Command. At this time, one plane down in the grass, intact on its wheels, making contact with the occupants.
Seaside Command to Bridgeport.
Go, Command, Bridgeport's on.
Alright, we've got one occupant that has landed safely. There is no hazard, no extrication required at this time. He's denying medical care.
Received, Command. One occupant landed safely, no extrication needed, no hazards. Party denying medical attention at this time.
Battalion 1 to Bridgeport.
Go, Battalion 1, Bridgeport's on.
You can return Stratford and Fairfield and also the Coast Guard and notify the FAA, please.
Engine 4, Battalion 1. Recommend a recall. The pilots ran out of fuel and then landed safely.
Received. Battalion 1 to Bridgeport. Put in recall, return all companies with the exception of Engine 4, Ladder 5, Safety, Rescue, and Battalion 1.
Your message received, Battalion 1. Make notifications to Stratford, Fairfield, as well as Coast Guard. Notify FAA. Put in the recall. Recall of alarm Seaside Beach. Recall of alarm Seaside Beach. Battalion 1, all companies can return to service with the exception of Engine 4, Ladder 5, Safety 1, Rescue 5, and Battalion
1. Papa Sierra, looks like they found the aircraft, so we'll need your assistance here.
Bridgeport to Battalion 1.
Battalion 1's on Bridgeport.
Battalion 1, can you call into communications? The FAA has some questions regarding the plane.
Bridgeport, Battalion 1's on.
Go, Battalion 1, Bridgeport's on.
At this time, we're going to operate with Engine 4, Battalion 1. You can return all those companies to service.
Bridgeport received that message. At this time, operating with Engine 4 and Battalion 1. All other companies can return to service.
Bridgeport, Fireboat 233.
Go ahead, Fireboat 233. Bridgeport's on.
233 secured in at berth. 321.
Received. 233 secure at berth. 21.
Battalion 1 to Ladder 5.
Ladder 5.
Cap, just hold your position for a few minutes, please.
Will do. I'm going to put myself back on the ticket.
You can do that.
Will do. Ladder 5 to Bridgeport. Can you reassign us back to the Fox Seaside Park, please?
Received, Ladder 5. We'll put you back on it.
On to Rescue 5. Battalion 1 to Rescue 5.
Ready.
Lou, can you just hold your position for a few minutes, please?
Sure thing.
Bridgeport Battalion 1, Seaside Park Command.
Go ahead, Command Bridgeport Town.
Car 2 is going to remain on scene a few more minutes with PD. PD is going to secure the area for now. We're going to be on a 21 terminate command.
Received. Car 2 remaining on scene for a couple more minutes along with PD. PD securing the area for now. Command terminated, Battalion 121.